Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to view file extensions on your PC. Windows 10 is the most popular desktop operating system in the world, and while Windows 11 is nipping at its heels, most of us will still be running Microsoft's current OS for the foreseeable future. And even if you use it every day, there's always more to learn. Maybe you don't consider yourself a power user, or perhaps you've made the leap from macOS to Windows. Whatever your comfort level, these tips will help you get more out of your Windows 10 experience. Some of these tricks originated from an older generation of Windows, while others are new to this iteration. By default, Windows hides file extensions in File Explorer, requiring you to dig into the file's properties to see if it's a .jpg or .png file. But you can set it so Windows shows you the file extension automatically. Pay closely attention to what I'm about to do because you might get lost. Here is how you can do it. Open File Explorer and click View, then Options. Now open the View tab. Scroll down to the option for Hide Extension for known file types and uncheck the box. Click Apply, and now file types will be listed at the end of all file names inside File Explorer. If you don't like how files have become, just repeat the same process and check the box for Hide Extensions for known file types. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.